my dreams with your face of a wolf and your eyes like a snake. I don't need to know, be reminded of the mistakes I've made. I already know. Please get out of my dreams. All the love I've failed, of hate I have shared. Amen. Please get out of my dreams. Get out of my dreams. I don't need you. Don't need you in my life. You are causing the pain I have in my mind. Amen. I'm sorry that I failed you all. Amen. 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 Tell me I am my own pain, my only depression, the thing that drives me insane. Please get out of my brain. Amen. Get out of my brain. Amen. Get out of my brain. Amen. Talk to me no more. I caused my own mistakes, Amen. But don't remind me of that. Tell me that I'm my own depression, my own cause of hate, my own reason of death. But Amen, get out of my brain. Amen, get out of my brain. Amen. You're driving me insane. Talk to me no more.